નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is 13th part of standard 6 science chapter 8 body movements, isn't it? And in the last part we discussed about the gait of snail as well as cockroach. Okay, both snail and cockroach, both of them do not have any bones in their body, isn't it? And in fact, snail has skeleton. Outer skeleton is there, but it is not a bone. Same way, cockroaches also have outer skeleton, but it is not a bone. Then we discussed about the gait of the cockroach, that it can walk, it can climb, it can fly, isn't it? Cockroaches have 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. That's what we discussed in the last part about snail and cockroach. Now, in this part, let's first of all understand the gait of the birds. Okay, so first of all we will try to understand the birds, and then after we will try to understand the gait of the fish. Now here in this one, see, birds also have bones and fishes also have bones, isn't it? So let's first of all try to understand the gait of the birds, and which is available on the page number 74. So first of all, let's discuss about birds. See, birds fly in the air and walk on the ground. That we see, actually we have seen the birds. It can fly in the air. It can walk on the ground. Now some birds like ducks and swans also swim in the water. In fact, many birds are there which can swim on the water also, isn't it? So birds can walk, birds can fly, birds can swim also. The birds can fly because their bodies are well suited for flying. Birds can fly because their bodies are well suited for flying. Okay, that is it. Now how the body of the birds are well suited? Okay, understood. But how is it so? For that, let's see. Their bones are hollow and light. See, first one is that their bones are hollow and light. Okay. दूसरी बात, the bones of the hind limbs are typical for walking and perching. See, what is hind limb? What is forelimb? Let me say. See, generally, have you ever watched the bird carefully? आपने कभी देखा है? Watch them carefully. You will find that जो birds की जो wings होती है ना, वो जो जुड़ी होती है जहाँ पे, उसके बॉडी में वो आगे का पार्ट होगा, एंड द लेग्स ऑफ द बर्ड्स वो पीछे के पार्ट में होगा. ठीक है? सो let me show a picture of the bird. Suppose this is a bird, then ये जो बर्ड होता है ना, उसकी जो फ्लाइट, ये जो विंग्स होती है ना, वो यहाँ से शुरू होती है कुछ, isn't it? And its legs used to be somewhere over here. तो जो ये जो विंग्स है ना, वो पहले शुरू होती है और जो लेग्स है वो बाद में चालू होते हैं. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे लिखा है the bones of the hind limbs, वो जो पीछे वाले जो कि उसके पैर के साथ कनेक्टेड है. The bones of the hind limbs are typical for walking and perching. Are typical for walking, we can understand, for walking. But perching मतलब ये जो, see, generally the birds used to sit on the branches, isn't it? तो वो जो पकड़ बनाए रखता है, दैट इज पर्चिंग. द बॉडी पार्ट्स ऑफ द फोर लिम्स. नाउ सी, दिस इज where the legs are there, that is hind limbs. Now four limbs, मतलब आगे के दो, आगे वाले दो, four limbs. So the body parts of the four limbs are modified as wings. जो आगे के body parts है are modified as wings. The shoulder bones are strong. फिर उसके जो shoulder bones होते हैं वो strong होते हैं. The breast bones are modified to hold muscles of flight, which are used to move the wings up and down. See, the breast bones are modified. The breast bones are modified to hold muscles of flight. To hold the muscles of flight. मतलब wings we can say flight, which are used to move the wings up and down. वो जो breast bones होते हैं वो ऐसे modified होते हैं which holds the bones of the flight, which so that the wings can do the wings up and down like that. So this is the body parts, we can say this is the about something about birds. Okay, that what we discussed. Now see, in your textbook also on the page number 74 you can see skeleton of bird. This is the skeleton of bird, and observe it. Try to understand all these things. Read this one so that you will come to know. Now let's discuss about fish. Do fish have bones? Yeah, fish also have bones. But first of all we will discuss this activity. Okay, and then in the next part we will discuss about the fish. So in this part we will discuss this activity 8. And what is the aim of this activity? To identify the features required to move easily in water. See, generally birds have to fly in the air. Now here we will discuss, fishes used to be in the water. So how to move easily in the water, that is what we will try to understand. And for this is activity. For that this activity is there. Now materials required for this activity is a paper and some water. So now look into the textbook on the page number 74. Make a paper boat. Now you know how to prepare or how to make a paper boat, that you know very well. Put it in water and push it with one narrow end pointing forward. अब आपको क्या करना है? You will have to put it in the water. Okay, see, 1 minute. So first of all look into this textbook. There is two figures are there, A and B. Okay, so first में आपको क्या करना है? Putting with playing with boards, in which in the first A जो है ना फिगर, उसमें क्या किया है? See, put it in water and push it with one narrow end pointing forward. वो जो ये जो सपोज बोट है तो उसका जो आगे जो नेरो एंड होता है उसको पॉइंटिंग फॉरवर्ड, मतलब उसको आगे रखना है ना. डिड इट गो इनटू द वाटर इजीली? अगर उसका जो पॉइंटिंग वाला एंड है उसको फॉरवर्ड रखते हैं, देन इज इट पॉसिबल फॉर द बोट टू गो इजीली इन द वाटर? ओके, नाउ होल्ड द बोट साइडवेज and push it into the water from the from the broad side. अब suppose the water is going in this way, then आपको क्या करना है? उसका जो broad part है बोट का, वो ऐसे रखना है। और अगर जो वाटर है वो इस तरीके से जा रहा है तो क्या होता है, सी लुक इनटू द फिगर बी। नाउ होल्ड द बोट साइडवेज एंड पुश इट इनटू द वाटर फ्रॉम द ब्रॉड साइड। ये जो ब्रॉड साइड है तो यहां से उसको पुश करना है। पहले हमने क्या किया था, वो जो एंड था मतलब के उसका जो नेरो एंड था वहां से पीछे से पुश किया था। फिर उसका जो ब्रॉड पार्ट है उसको ऐसे रख के इस तरीके से पुश करना है, ठीक है। आर यू एबल टू मेक द बोट मूव इन वाटर व्हेन यू पुश इट फ्रॉम द साइड्स। तो अगर हम साइड से पुश करते हैं, ठीक है, ब्रॉड साइड से, तो वो जो बोट है वो इजीली जाती है वाटर में या तो नीचे गिर जाती है। दैट इज गुड। नाउ लेट्स सी द ऑब्जर्वेशन। नाउ द ऑब्जर्वेशन, द पेपर बोट मूव्स इजीली व्हेन पुश्ड विथ नैरो एंड। द पेपर बोट मूव्स इजीली व्हेन पुश्ड विथ नैरो एंड। अगर आगे नैरो एंड है और अगर उसको पुश करते हैं देन इट कैन मूव इजीली। Narrow end pointing forward. Then when it pushed with the broad side forward, तो broad side forward होती है, उसके कंपेयर में जब narrow side आगे होती है then the boat can move easily in the water. Then what is the conclusion? The conclusion: a streamlined body is able to move smoothly and easily in water. जो बोट का जो बॉडी होता है वी कैन से इट इज स्ट्रीमलाइन, ओके। दैट इज व्हाई अ स्ट्रीमलाइन बॉडी इज एबल टू मूव स्मूथली एंड इजीली इन वाटर। इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ देयर स्ट्रीमलाइन शेप दैट फिश आर एबल टू मूव स्विफ्टली इन वाटर। तो जैसे बोट का शेप होता है वैसे ही ये जो फिश होती है उसका शेप होता है। एंड दैट इज व्हाई ओनली फिश कैन मूव इजीली इन द वाटर। दैट व्हाट वी कंक्लूड फ्रॉम दिस एक्टिविटी, ओके। इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ द फिशेस मूव्स इन द वाटर। दैट व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट। By this time we are ending this part and will meet you in the next part. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.